Mima and Zyaba are best friends.
Hi friends, I am Mima and this is Zyaba. We're so happy to see you. Zyaba, do you know what season it is right now? It is fall. And what happens in the fall? Have you seen a lot of beautiful yellow and red leaves outside? Did you see that trees change color? I think we should make a beautiful artwork with the leaves today. Let's try it. Zyaba, look what we have! Isn't it beautiful? What do you think? Yes! Check this out! It was so easy to make and we can frame it. Look at this! I hope you enjoyed our project! See you next time! Bye!